The easiest and latest dustproof installation. The latest auto dust removal box can make the sticker automatically absorb dust in a confined space during installation, so as to achieve dust-free film. Just closing, pulling, pressing, the iPhone 13 Pro Max screen protector would apply to your phone perfectly. No more worries about alignment and bubbles. Kindly remind: one of the screen protector has been attached to the installation box. Please watch video before installating. Dual purposes. iPhone 13 Pro Max installation box is not only an auxiliary install tool but also be used as the phone stand. Prop up your phone to free your hands. You can better view recipes while cooking, enjoy snacks while watching videos, etc. Upgrade shatterproof protection. The iPhone 13 Pro Max premium tempered glass screen protector with a strong bearing capacity that can protect your screen from scratches and impacts. The nano-level super transparent oleophobic layer can effectively reduce stains and strong anti-fingerprint, keeping your phone screen clean bright. Ultra HD, touch sensitive. Enhanced camera protection. Perfect size, superior 9H hardness glass. Camera lens protector greatly protects fragile lenses and meanwhile has no affection towards shooting videotaping. Compatible lifetime maintenance. LK's latest auto dust elimination screen protector designed for iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7-inch. Lifetime maintenance for this iPhone 13 Pro Max screen protector. Camera lens protector. If you have any problems before or after purchasing, please contact us at any time. We will fix your trouble in 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Easiest install ever. The video and install kit make this go on perfectly. For someone who is anal about screen protector being perfect and no dust, this is the kit. Also, it does the job. I dropped my phone and screen protector broke, but not my phone screen. Just Apple's the second one out of the kit. Very happy.